sky. When we care, when we share, the smallest of lights still shine. We all can do something to make the world a better place. You can do anything, and it will always count as something. Something big, something small, something special. Together we can always keep in mind that everyone can be kind.
Isn't this fun, Beans? Yeah, I know, right? Upcycling is so chic. I'm really looking forward to celebrating Friendship Day this weekend. It's all about positivity and friendship, and it's Ivy's birthday too. Everyone will be there. I just love that. And I'm gonna look on point in my new outfit. New inspo! A little of this and a little of that. There, now we have matching outfits. Let's go look in the mirror. OMG! These outfits came out so cute! For real! I need to show everyone my new outfit. I hope they're all free to chat.
Hey!
Hi, Koral! My outfit for Friendship Day is ready. How are things going for you?
Sweet, Brianna. It's rad. I'm decorating some cute reusable bags to hand out. Gotta keep the sea plastic-free. Just saying.
For sure. Smart thinking, Koral.
Almost done with the friendship bracelets. Friendship Day is the perfect day to spread love. And of course, it's my birthday too. Goals!
Love it, Ivy! We can use the friendship bracelets to share our message to stop bullying and be kind to others. Hey, Nora!
Wow, Brianna, that outfit came out super cute! What do you think about this DIY beach hat I made out of recycled fabric? And look at this matching purse I made!
Perfection!
Those look super cute! I'm bringing my bunny Dash tomorrow. We're making some cute eco beanbag chairs from upcycled materials.
That's great, Daisy. Perfect for us to have something to sit on.
For us? No, I mean for all our pets, of course.
Of course, Daisy. You always put the animals first.
For sure. I love them.
Whoa, Beans! I think Beans wants to show off her new outfit, too.
Nice.
Cute. Perfect. Looking good, Beans.
Bye, guys! See you guys at Friendship Day tomorrow. Looking forward to it.
See ya. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Wow, Beans! A heart! For me? You're such a good friend. That's so kind of you.